Well, here we are in beautiful West Hollywood, and if you look over here, you can see that they are very unceremoniously tearing down the Pickford Studios. They're just, you can see right now that they're just quietly just tearing it down today without a word to anybody here, just tearing it all down. There's piles of rubble over there. Up there you can see in the back, they've already pretty much taken out the back half of the buildings. And then we'll go take a look and see how they've gutted the front end to rip it all out today. You can see over here they've got the bulldozers are up over here. They're working. Let's see. Up there, there's the smoke billowing up. Getting ready to take out another piece of the wall. There's what's left of the front half of the building. They've got all the windows all taken out. There's the bulldozer. There we go over there. This is Hollywood history just being gone today. So enjoy, courtesy of the city of West Hollywood. Moving in. We got actually two bulldozers right there because I guess you can tear it down twice as fast that way. Going in. He's just moving the rubble. But you can see up there the building is just pretty much going to be gone momentarily. We have all the stuff's been taken out. Nothing left now except to just physically just put the bulldozer over the top of it. So you see it connects to the end of the gate right here. So the whole building just come down, I guess, today, and that'll be the end of that whole part of Hollywood history. This whole part of the lot will be gone. Let's see. There. Oh yeah, you can see how they've already gutted the front of the buildings too. They just a couple more things. Just have to push it with the bulldozer and it'll just go down. But, yeah. I guess the Save the Pickford Studios effort, is ongoing for the past week or so. But as a lot of people had feared, I guess it's just easier for the developers to just come in and just quickly just tear it all down first before anybody can say anything about it. So here's super historic old Pickford Studios, just now gone. This is all gone right here. They kind of just put up a quick fence to just be able to just take it all down. Let's see. Look over here, you can see through the Mimosa Romaine sign. Let's see what's left in here. It's just piles of rubble. Piles of rubble, that's what's in there, piles of rubble. If you look over here, let's see. What's left of the building until it's just gone. So, sad day for another Hollywood landmark, just biting the dust. Well, we were here to see it one last time before it was gone.